Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Hyundai Super Aero City is a testament to Hyundai's commitment to innovation and excellence in the commercial bus sector. Designed primarily for city and intercity transportation, this heavy-duty bus combines a robust exterior with a passenger-centric interior, ensuring safety, comfort, and efficiency for both drivers and passengers. Exterior design. The Super Aero City boasts a dignified and solid appearance, characterized by its truss-type structure. This design enhances flexural and torsional rigidity, providing a stable and secure ride. The front end features vertical-type headlamps that offer strong illumination, ensuring safe driving conditions even in low-light scenarios. The broad middle door, measuring 1,100 mm, facilitates rapid and convenient passenger movement, essential for urban transit systems. Additionally, the rear design emphasizes durability with reinforced materials and a modern aesthetic. Interior comfort and features. Passenger comfort is paramount in the Super Aero City. The bus is equipped with ergonomically designed seats that provide excellent support and are aesthetically pleasing. The interior ambience is enhanced by thoughtful illumination, creating a welcoming environment. For added convenience, overhead storage compartments allow passengers to securely store personal belongings during their journey. The inclusion of a roof-mounted electric fan ensures a continuous supply of fresh air, enhancing passenger comfort on longer trips. Driver-centric enhancements. Recognizing the pivotal role of the driver, Hyundai has integrated several features to enhance the driving experience. The ergonomic driver's seat is complemented by a metallic TGS transmission gear shift knob, offering a luxurious feel and ease of use. The surrounded stanchion pipe around the driver's seat not only provides protection but also adds to the overall safety design. These features collectively aim to reduce driver fatigue and promote a comfortable driving posture, essential for long hours on the road. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Super Aero City is powered by a range of 11-liter engines, delivering horsepower between 217 horsepower to 276 horsepower. These engines are paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The bus's suspension system comprises semi-elliptic laminated leaf springs with stabilizer bars and shock absorbers, providing a balanced and comfortable ride even on uneven terrains. Braking is managed by front and rear air brakes, offering reliable stopping power essential for urban driving conditions. Safety features. Safety remains a cornerstone of the Super Aero City's design philosophy. The bus's sturdy body is constructed with one-piece type roof bows and reinforced roof corner panels, enhancing structural integrity. The skid rails and upsized window pillars further contribute to passenger safety by providing additional protection during unforeseen events. These design elements work in unison to ensure that both active and passive safety measures are in place, offering peace of mind to operators and passengers alike. Pricing and availability. As of February 2025, specific pricing details for the Hyundai Super Aero City in Pakistan have not been officially released. However, for context, the Hyundai H100, a smaller commercial vehicle, is priced between PKR 4,239,000 and PKR 4,279,000 in the Pakistani market. Given the advanced features and larger capacity of the Super Aero City, it is anticipated to be positioned at a higher price point. For precise pricing and availability, potential buyers are encouraged to contact local Hyundai commercial vehicle dealerships or visit Hyundai's official website. In summary, the 2025 Hyundai Super Aero City stands out as a robust and reliable solution for urban and intercity transportation needs. Its blend of safety, comfort, and performance features makes it a compelling choice for operators seeking a dependable and efficient mass transit vehicle.